That's not good. That's not supposed to be like that at all. Not at all. I'm gonna do something about that right now. Almost there, almost. That's better. That's better. That is not supposed to look like that. That doesn't look right. It definitely doesn't look right. I'm gonna need a new one of those. That's not supposed to be that way. When I was growing up, we'd watch boats go by like this. And my dad said they look like bleach bottles. they really do. It's just a big bulbous thing. But all that bleach bottle shape of it gives it a lot of cabin space. This thing will sleep 6 people. All fittings must go. Taking everything off, all the old antenna mounts, all the snaps. We're gonna fill each one of these holes. Oh. The stainless steel supports and frames around these windows here, it's going to be coated black somehow. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I'm doing research. I'll give it a monolithic wraparound, you know, look a little bit more modern, updated. Steel railing system's all gone except for the very last bit of the ladder. Comment below if you want to see more about how we do these individual projects. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can see this thing through.